Papermoon Puppet Theatre, it's a collective of artists, and we do lots of mix between visual and performing arts. So you can say that it's more like a visual theater performance rather than a theater with dialogue.
Basically, I design the puppets. Like, so usually I start with the face, and then like the figure. But yeah, the inspiration came from anywhere.
It's kind of like a roller coaster journey for us, where we don't have another puppet company that are doing the same thing like what we are doing. We perform in either in a traditional market, in a train station. So we did randomly in the beginning because we just want to test everything.
I think it's the same for all the tradition of puppetry all over the world, because it's the matter of how you hold the object to make it alive. For us, it's like a triangular belief between the puppeteers and the audience.